Namar makuat kalat kan long tu be. Suam kan Niam.
Kiri pop sudah. Himdan hi ka boarding ban ai yangi.
Chuang mem ta. Ngali ngatieng bat mai cika bodum. Ban ngam kuat ban Niam bak cingdum.
Ndam la apo setleo pat. Kadum hiam.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka Jingïaumsnam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Menteri rang ba ka jelah u Conrad ki sangma hakasau trek u jemang aja upon riau. Ula Pynrem jor ka jingsa asiat yam ki laingut ki Nongïalam ka balang baptes ka jelah Manipur bat kenturu yak sarkar bat iki pai ba ka jelah Manipur ban Sangeh no mardor ya ka Jingïaumsnam. Kuman pentep hang ni bagi subale no ki balaking atiar bah ki la ap khatem ya ka kenhun ki Nongïalam nyam hakang pok ki district ka jelah Manipur. Haka step sengi balang ka khalai tarik ujemang aja pun riau. Haka balaingut ki Nongïalam nyam kila yap asyan bat saungut ki weipat kila mensaujur. Kila not ki badai ki Nongïalam jong kathadu Baptist Association of India bat ka United Baptist Council kila ngat akan ik apot kat bakidang mi da ki artli ki kali naka Baptist Convention ka badan hakas nong Chura Chanpur banlet chakang pokki.
We have condemned the attack. Any kind of violence is something that from our party side is completely unacceptable, and the way it was done and the way the church leaders were attacked and the loss of lives that was there is something that we have highly condemned as a party, and we urge the state government as well as the people of Manipur that we need to ensure that violence must stop, and we must continue to work together as a society to work towards bringing back peace in the state of Manipur, as Manipur has been suffering for a very long time, and if we do not have peace, we will not be able to move towards bringing back normalcy in the state of Manipur.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.